welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a huge Shein try-on haul. Shein really blew up over quarantine. I was seeing so many TikToks, people posting in their clothes on Instagram, and people doing haul videos. So I went onto the website and I saw it was super cheap, so I was kind of skeptical at first. However, you guys, I have tried everything on. I got everything in the mail yesterday and everything definitely lived up to the expectations. It is definitely worth the money. So I'm just going to be trying on everything for you guys and show you guys all of the pieces that I got. We'll also have everything linked down below. I'll have links for both the Canadian and US website just because I know they are different links if you're from different places. If you're from a different country and you want a specific link to a piece I show in this video, just leave me a comment down below asking me for the link and I'll definitely send it to you guys. So for the size guide, I'm just gonna let you guys know right now what size I am and everything. It's just because when I was looking at the measurements, it just like wasn't adding up. So basically I'm an extra small or a small in everything. They didn't have an extra small for something, then I would just go for the small. But if there was the extra small option, I would get the extra small. So if you guys are new here, I would love if you could subscribe and also hit the thumbs up button. It really helps my channel grow and it really supports me, so I'd really appreciate that. Yeah, let's just get on into the video because I have lots of really cute clothes to show you guys. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna start with these little tops. I got them in 2 different colors. So first one I got is just this little cropped tank top, and this is a gorgeous coral color. It looks so good on when you have a tan, and I love that this is like a thick ribbed material. It's not like a super thin. I was so impressed by the quality of the material. This is so cute. You can wear it with shorts, jeans, a skirt, literally anything. This is just like the perfect summer staple. And I also got that same top in a white color. Again, it's just this thick ribbed material. It does feel like it is double layered, so I like that the white isn't see-through at all. I know with some white tank tops they can be kind of see-through, but this one isn't at all. Looks like this. It's super cute. Again, can go with jeans, shorts, literally anything. I just think these 2 tops are the perfect staple to just throw on in the summer, and like they're so cheap, guys. They're like $5 each, so check these out. Okay, so the next thing I have seen all over Instagram for months and months, and I've always wanted to get one, but I've never just like pushed myself to get it, is one of these sparkly silver belts. This belt just adds the perfect touch to any outfit. If you just want to glam up, dress up an outfit, throw this belt on. Even you can see when I tried it on with shorts, it really just brings up the outfit to another level. I think this is so cute if you're going out to like a bar or a club or even out for drinks and you want to throw this on with like a little skirt or jeans just to really, like I said, just dress up the outfit. These belts are so cute and I saw them everywhere, so I definitely had to pick this up for myself. So the next top I got is this navy blue ruched tank top. This looks like this, and in the back it is just like plain, but in the front it has this little ruched material, which I think is so cute. And again, this is such a cute summer top. It's not see-through at all. It's actually really good material. I think that you can throw this on again with jeans, shorts, a skirt, literally anything. Just another really good staple. I've been seeing these kind of tops all over TikTok. A lot of people have it in white, but I thought I would get it in navy blue. Okay, so next, I'm absolutely obsessed with this piece. I actually wore it all day yesterday. So it is this little matching like cord set. So these are these shorts. They're just black and white stripes. I wore this after I self-tanned yesterday, and it's the perfect little just chill outfit if you're just like a loungewear look. Perfect for quarantine if you're still in quarantine. So this is just the top. It is not see-through at all. It is definitely thinner material than the past tank tops I showed you guys, but I didn't find it to be see-through at all. So yeah, it's just this little crop top and then just the matching shorts. I just think this look is so cute for just lounging around at home. So comfy and fits super well. Okay, so next, this is another huge staple and something that's super in right now. I got this one shoulder black bodysuit. Now this material is different than I thought it was gonna be. It's more of like a spandex kind of material, but it looks super nice once you have it on. This would be so cute with shorts and that silver belt just to dress it up. I just think these bodysuits are super in. If you guys saw my summer essentials haul, I had two tops. I had a white one and a red one, and it was like a one shoulder, but it was like a tank top instead of long sleeve. I just thought this was a perfect going out essential. You always just need a little black bodysuit, and especially the one shoulder is definitely in right now. So next, this piece is a little more risque, but it is gorgeous material. It is this pink satin material, and it's just a halter top, and then it crisscrosses in the front. The only thing with this is I would have to get like fashion tape to stick it down, just because we don't want it flying around, especially if you're like out at a club, if you're dancing, you know, one wrong move. This is just what it looks like, but I just think it is the most gorgeous, prettiest color. It's like this rose gold, champagne-y kind of color, and it's just satin material, and then it just goes in the back, and then it's kind of like an open back. You guys will see better in the try on portion, but I just think this is so cute. I was saying that I could wear this with like leather pants. I have like leather legging pants, and I think this with a pair of like black sparkly heels would look so cute. Okay, so the next thing I got is this, I don't even know how I would describe it. The material is like super thin, but again, not see-through. Like everything from this haul isn't see-through. Basically, it just goes above your neck and it ties, and then it ties in the middle, and then it has like this kind of like ruffly detailing at the back. I just thought this was really cute. I've seen a lot of these tops, like I said, again on TikTok. TikTok is literally taking over the world right now, but anyways, yeah, this is just really cute. And again, I just thought it would be easy to pair, shorts, jeans, skirt, literally anything. I just think it's a really cute summer essential. When I tried it on, it just gave me like ultimate vacation vibes. So I can't wait until I can travel again and can wear something cute like this. Okay, so next was another top that I've seen super popular. This is the top, and it's just really confusing. Hopefully, if it looks funny when I try it on, it's because I'm still trying to figure it out, to be honest with you guys. It's just this burgundy satin. I'm obsessed with this satin material, you guys. So it is just this satin top, and it's completely open in the back, but it ties. So it just goes up like this, and then open back. Honestly, you guys, this is such good quality. You would think from like a cheap website that this would not be good quality, but it is so thick, like it's like a high quality satin material. You would honestly, if you felt this, I wouldn't say it was from Shein at all. Okay, so next, again, just staying with the basics. I think for this haul, I kind of went for some basics and a couple other tops that I would just like to wear out, just because this was my first time ordering from Shein. I definitely will be ordering again, so expect another haul soon. But this is just a plain black bodysuit, but you guys, it has these like fake diamond rhinestone things. Obviously they're not real, but these little gems, I guess we could call them, on the shoulders. Like, how freaking cute, you guys. I can't. So yeah, it's just this plain black bodysuit. So cute. I am so excited to wear this out. This with jeans or shorts and that silver belt to tie this and the other silver belt together. Wow, you guys, I can't wait. Follow me on Instagram to see these outfits being put to use. And I don't know, I just think this is so cute. Okay, so the last clothing item I got is just this top, and it looked super big when I took it out of the packaging, and I was like, uh-oh. I'd say this is the thing made most poorly, just because the stitching and like the sleeves are just kind of funky. This is just what it looks like. It's just this plain blue tank top. I think it's a really pretty color, and it's just a really simple, like basic look that you can throw on with anything. I just honestly, I'm not a huge fan of the way that the material is cut along here. I think it just looks kind of rushed, and someone's just kind of like gone like that. So the way that it's like stitched and put together isn't my favorite, but it still fits and it looks really cute. And then the last thing I got are these pair of sandals. And you guys, I'm always looking for really cute sandals. I prefer these ones that like slide rather than the ones you have to like buckle up and stuff. I don't know, it's just a lot easier just to slide your feet into these. So these are just like tan and then a beige kind of color on top. So easy to pair with absolutely everything, and they are really comfy. They're the perfect fit, so I'm so excited to be wearing these for the rest of the summer. So that is everything that I got from Shein. I really hope that you guys did enjoy this video. Like I mentioned before, everything will be linked down below. I will have the different links for the Canadian and the US site, just because I know it is different websites. Trust me, when I was shopping, I accidentally clicked on the US and then I added everything into my cart and then I couldn't check out because obviously I'm from Canada. So don't make the same mistake as me. So I'll have separate links for you guys down below. Yeah, I definitely, if you guys want my honest opinion, I will say that the clothes really surprised me, and it is a lot better quality than I thought it was gonna be. Obviously, like some pieces I mentioned were a bit poorly made. However, for the price, you just have to keep in mind, and a lot of these things are just trendy clothes. So if you want like trendy clothes that won't be in trend in like a couple months or so, don't go spend your money at super expensive stores. I would say just get it from cheap stores like Shein. But yeah, that is all for today's video. I really hope that you guys did enjoy this. Like I said before, if you are new here, definitely be sure to subscribe. I'm posting new videos all of the time, and definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. It really helps my channel. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! You should've seen the